Welcome to another episode. It's your girl Eunice. We have news for you as BB Naija star Basi quietly marries girlfriend in US. Big Brother Naija Season 2 star Basi Ekpeyon has quietly married beautiful Nadia, and the Ebony and Ivory couple have been dating quietly over a little about a year and decided to sign the dotted lines when their love needed to go to the next level. The quiet wedding was held in Detroit in the 6th day of December 2019. Bassi relocated about a month ago to the US to join Nadia, who is based in the US but shuttles Nigeria and is friends with many Nigerian celebrities. Bassi has been receiving tons of congratulations from his former fellow housemate on the Instagram handle. Congratulations to Nadia and Bassi. Guys, sometimes people just do things low key, low key. Let me know what you think about all these low key marriages in the comments.